back to my channel Gypsy Shiva, and today we are at Sanjoli, Shimla, and behind me is the beautiful Sanjoli. We are in Sanjoli market right now, and I'll just show you around how it looks. So we are in Shimla, we are going to Kalpa, and then we are going to Tirthan Valley, and then we are going to Amritsar. So it's a lot of different places to cover in this trip, and all the places I never been after Shimla, so it would be pretty exciting. Let me show you. So guys, the market is closed for vehicles from 4 to 6. Guys, one electric bus in Himachal Pradesh. Okay. So guys, the place looks pretty beautiful. This Sanjoli, I have been here before. Tomorrow we'll going to Mall Road because my wife hasn't been here for last 3 years. She come with her brother, so it's pretty special this trip. Kalpa guys, Kalpa Rekangpio, and after that we are going to Tirthan Valley, and after that we are going to Amritsar, and then Chandigarh and all these places. Jenny, Choco. Sorry. So guys, the t-shirt I am wearing is from my website www.byside.com, and domestic is live. International will be live in 5-6 days, and you can have a look on the t-shirt, pure cotton. So if you want to buy, go to byside.com. गाइस, तो आप मेरे पीछे देख सकते हो संजोली मार्केट. जो भी मैंने आज आपको दिखाया है वो पूरा संजोली दिखाया है. सो वी बुकड अ रूम इन संजोली. इट्स माय फ्रेंड्स प्लेस, सो वी बुकड अ रूम फॉर 1000. I'll shoot the room in the morning and I'll put in this video only itself, and whatever I am eating I'm showing you guys. And this is the beautiful Sanjoli market behind me. All this market is called Sanjoli market in Shimla, one of the local markets in Shimla, and a must place to come other than Mall Road if you want to see market very big. That is called Sanjoli market. So guys, what I really like about Shimla is that it's a very big city, and it's all, you know, it's all on the mountains at 3000 meters, almost 2700 2800 meters above the sea level. So it makes it very different that the whole city is so big. It's a kind of metropolitan city, and it's a capital of one state in India. So Shimla has its own charm, has its own aura, has its own, you know, beauty, has its own experience. So do visit Shimla once in your lifetime if you want to see some big city in Himalayas. We just woke up in the morning. We come here to Kufri, but we are not going up to the Kufri with the kids. So we are checking out the zoo, and I have already made videos about that, so I'm not gonna make complete video about the zoo. I'm just gonna show you a little bit of the zoo, and it's called Himalayan Nature Park to walk, and you can bring your kids there, and it's especially the animals are from Himalaya. So we're gonna be spending time here, then we're gonna be going to Mall Road and everything in 4K. So I hope you are going to enjoy this video a lot. And right now we are just sitting. My baby is almost ready to drive the car. Shiva, drive the car please. We need you to take us to Mall Road. Yes, very fast. Take us. No. ¿Por qué no? Please take us. So guys, keep watching my video, keep subscribing, and whosoever is not subscribed, please subscribe. Tomorrow we are leaving for Kalpa. We stayed one more day in Shimla because we were very tired yesterday. So tomorrow we are staying in Kalpa, and after Kalpa we are going to Tirthan Valley. So it's gonna be awesome trip. Do follow my all the vlogs, and I hope you have seen all my videos from Goa that I made with a lot of hard work. So keep watching. तो भाइयों याक्स देख लो, याक्स यहाँ पर शिमला में कुफरी के पास आपको याक्स दिखेंगे. इफ यू वांट टू सी द याक्स यू नीड टू कम टू कुफरी. तो गाइस अभी हम आ गए हैं जाकू टेम्पल, और ये जाकू टेम्पल है फिर पीछे वो जाकू टेम्पल है. ये हनुमान जी की मूर्ति. और बंदर बहुत कम हो गए हैं बिकॉज बहुत लोग नहीं आते हैं. दे हैव मूव्ड, मंकीज हैव गॉन हियर एंड देयर. Amor, put her shoes. तो भाई अभी बंदर जो है एक जूता उठा के ले गया लोगों का, और बंदर से बच के रहना यहाँ हो तो. बी केयरफुल ऑफ द मंकीज, दे टेक एवरीथिंग दे कैन गेट देयर हैंड्स ऑन. लुक.
ऊपर मत चढ़ो. आप उतार दो, ऊपर जाओ, ऊपर अलाउड नहीं है.
ओके जेनी, लेट्स क्लिक अ फोटो.
तो गाइस अभी हम यहाँ से मॉल रोड से केबल कार ले रहे हैं. नीचे रिच पे जाने के लिए, मतलब मॉल रोड पे जाने के लिए. सो लेट्स गो. तो गाइस मास्क उतार सकते हैं बिकॉज अभी हम अकेले हैं. और ये चल पड़ी हमारी ट्रॉली. इट्स फॉर 300 रुपीज़ वन वे, एंड इट्स अ लिटिल स्केरी. जेनीमीरा, where are we going? So guys, it directly goes to Mall Road. Behind me you can see the Mall Road, and it's a little scary. Okay, I don't know how it's gonna play, but it's a little scary. Look the kids. Jenny, Papa. Guys, it's very scary. It's very scary. From here it goes like, oh my god. Ah.
No está tan mal. A papá le hace falta más aventura. Sí.
Or it's quite scary, okay? Guys, it's very scary. If you can see, like, it's very, very, very scary. Ah. Just here you can just only trust God that it will not fall.
It will not fall.
But she is using that. Jenny, tu goose to.
Yeah, Jenny is watching very happily there.
I don't know, guys, but it looks very, very, very scary. Upside here is a window also. If I show you, oh. You are talking, what you are talking so much?
Tata, tata.
Jenny Mira, Jenny. So if I look from here, it looks very, very, very scary. I cannot tell you how much, but it looks very scary.
This one is more high than Mussoorie one, right? Yeah, Mussoorie.
Yeah.
Up, they are going up, and we are going
Down.
up and down.
Why are you so excited?
Oh, chiquitín, te amo.
So guys, one good thing about this is that you can see the whole Shimla from one place, and it's called this. And you can see the mall road from above with a clear view, so it's very good to use this trolley. Last time I come, I think it was closed or something that we couldn't use. But this time, I'm having a heart failure already, though I am not a heart patient. But look here.
Dramático. Drama, drama.
This tree is almost touching the trolley, look.
Cancioncitas de fondo para que vean y disfruten con nosotros la vista.
So guys, from there the mall road starts. That's the church and that's the Indian flag, if you can see or not, I don't know. And this is all the mall road, and it's all the Shimla city. It's not all the Shimla city, it's just one part of Shimla city. Shimla is very big, but look, all the pines are here. Right now it's April, so no, it's a good time to come. And it's pretty good, but it's the scary part comes here. When it goes from here, it looks very scary. And that's all for this ropeway. First time I'm very scared of the ropeway. Before this never, but this is a good height of ropeway, that's why.
It is really like high.
Yeah, it's not even height, it's just coming down straight.
I think Jenny's scared. Let me play her face.
सो गाइस, हम धीरे धीरे आते आते यहाँ से उतनी दूर है, वो देख सकते हो आप मेरे पीछे, जाकू रोड पे उस तरफ। तो वहाँ से वॉक करना है डाउन तो बहुत ईजिली आ जाते हैं। और ये हम पहुँच गए हैं मॉल रोड, पीछे मेरे चर्च है। सो लेट्स गो। So guys, to visit Shimla, the best place to be is on the mall road. Behind me is all the mall road that you can see from here till there. And my baby is here, so I am watching her also while shooting this. And it looks beautiful. This mall road is always beautiful, always lively. Tourists come here, the local people come here. So it's very beautiful. And let me तो गाइस अभी हम वॉक कर रहे हैं डाउन टू मॉल रोड द अदर साइड फ्रॉम चर्च टू द अदर साइड एंड देयर आर मेनी हिस्टोरिकल बिल्डिंग्स और बिल्ट बाय ब्रिटिशर्स so we are just walking that side. Behind me you can see the mall road. Keep walking. तो गाइस ये जो बिल्डिंग है यहाँ पर आप देख सकते हो, ये पुरानी जो है ब्रिटिशर्स की बनाई हुई है सारी की सारी बिल्डिंग, और ये पूरी मॉल रोड जो है वो ब्रिटिशर्स ने बनाई थी एज पार्ट ऑफ द समर कैपिटल। तो यहाँ पर आप जो है बिल्डिंग्स देख सकते हो, ब्रिटिश आर्किटेक्चर जस्ट लाइक लंडन, इट्स ऑलमोस्ट द सेम आर्किटेक्चर एंड इफ़ यू कम टू इंडिया you won't believe that they have actually made it in the British architecture, everything that you can see here. And up Jenny, up, Mira up there. तो गाइस जो ये बिल्डिंग्स है ये सारी ब्रिटिश आर्किटेक्चर की है एंड लुक्स वेरी 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 ब्यूटीफुल. वन ऑफ द बिल्डिंग्स दैट टेक तो गाइस अभी हम खाना खाने आ गए हैं, लंच करने आ गए हैं. इट्स कॉल्ड सोल कैफ़े एंड सोल कैफ़े बेसिकली इट्स एडजेसेंट टू योर लिफ्ट फॉर द मॉल रोड एंड फ्रॉम हियर यू कैन सी ऑल द ब्यूटी ऑफ शिमला. यू कैन सी ऑल ऑफ दिस इज़ ऑल शिमला गाइस. And there is the church where we were, and there is the flag, and this is all Shimla in 4K brother and sisters. So हम यहाँ पर खाना खाने आए हैं एल सोल में. So guys, this is the restaurant right behind me. Let me show you a little more of this restaurant. And here is called Soul Lounge. So I think this is more for drinking, and that is more for sitting and bar, and this side is the food. I strongly recommend this one. Hey menu baby. Hey menu baby.
I feel really hungry. When do you think if we order this?
गाइस फुल पावर फूड आ गया है, देख लो. पिज़्ज़ा, ह्यूमस पिज़्ज़ा और टाकोस मंगवाए हैं, ये चल रही है.
Let me see.
Now eat so much that you don't feel like eating till night.
Come here.
So guys, that's all for today, and thanks for watching my video. Keep watching, keep subscribing, and signing off to the evening at Sanjoli with my friend. And this is how it looks like.